In this video, I will show you how to start a $300,000 a year online business from scratch. Keep watching because this is a full step-by-step masterclass on how to launch a six-figure online business in 12 months. Imagine this. You wake up, grab a cup of coffee, and check your phone. While you were sleeping, your business made $300 in sales. You didn't post on social media last night. You didn't send out an email. But your systems, they were working for you. That's what a six-figure online business can do. It's not a fantasy. It's not just for tech geniuses or influencers. It's real and it's possible for you. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. This isn't about getting rich overnight or trying to go viral. It's about building something solid, sustainable, something that works while you're living your life. Over the next 50 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We'll break it down step by step. No fluff, no hype, just a simple, proven path. 1. Mindset comes first. Before we talk about websites, marketing, or sales funnels, we need to start with something more important: mindset. Because no strategy works if your mindset is shaky. The way you think about business will shape every decision you make. Here are 4 core beliefs you need to lock in. 1. Solve problems. Don't just sell products. People don't buy items. They buy solutions. A six-figure business solves a painful problem. That's what makes people pay attention, pull out their wallets, and come back for more. 2. Done is better than perfect. You don't need the perfect logo, website, or offer. You just need to get started. Launch messy. Learn as you go. Improve as you earn. 3. Track the data, not your emotions. Some days you'll feel like nothing is working. But numbers don't lie. If your site is getting traffic, if your open rate is going up, you're making progress. 4. Show up every day. You don't need to work 12-hour days. But you do need to be consistent. Even one focused hour a day adds up fast. These 4 mindsets aren't optional. They're essential. Adopt them now, and you'll avoid 90% of the pitfalls beginners make. 2. Choosing the right online business model. Let's talk about the foundation, your business model. There are a million ways to make money online, but not all of them will get you to $100,000 a year in a sustainable way. Here are the 4 best models for hitting that six-figure mark. 1. Digital products. Courses, ebooks, templates, printables. You create it once and sell it over and over. The profit margins are huge, sometimes up to 90%. You don't need inventory, and delivery is instant. 2. E-commerce with branding. Selling physical products isn't dead, but drop-shipping random gadgets isn't the way to go. Instead, focus on branded products in a niche you understand. Use Shopify or Amazon and build a brand people trust. 3. Affiliate plus content. If you don't want to create your own product, recommend other people's. You can earn 20%, 50%, even 75% commissions on digital products. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok page around a niche, and use affiliate links to earn. 4. Service that turns into a productized offer. Start by freelancing, design, writing, marketing, editing. Then turn what you do into a fixed package. For example, I'll write a 5-page website for $499. This lets you scale without being glued to every client. The key is to choose one model. Just one. Master it for at least 6 to 12 months before you consider adding another. Focus is your friend. 3. Find a profitable niche. Now that you have a business model, let's find your niche. This step is all about narrowing your focus so you can speak directly to a specific group of people with a specific need. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. What am I good at or interested in? You don't need to be the world's expert. Just enough ahead of others to help. 2. Where are people already spending money? Look on Amazon, Etsy, and Udemy. What are bestsellers in your category? 3. Can I offer something unique or different? Don't just copy. Find a new angle, a different style, a more personal story. A great niche is like a triangle. Your skills, your interests, and the market's pain point. That's your sweet spot. Don't spend weeks trying to find the perfect idea. Take your top 2 or 3 options and move to the next step. Validation. 4. Validate your idea before you build. Before you spend months building a product, test it. Fast. Here's how. 1. Build a landing page. Use free tools like Card or System.io. Create a simple one-pager that explains who it's for, what it does, and why it matters. 2. Share it with your ideal audience. Post in Facebook groups, subreddits, and communities where your audience hangs out. Don't spam. Just ask for feedback and invite them to join a waitlist or pre-order. 3. Look for pre-sales or sign UPS. If people join your waitlist or pay in advance, you've got something. If they don't, tweak your offer. Change the price, positioning, or promise. Validation means proof. You want real people to say, "Yes, I want this." Not just with words, with actions. 5. Craft a simple offer that sells. You don't need to create a 100-page sales page or record a Netflix-quality video. You just need a clear offer that solves a real problem. Use this formula. I help who achieve what in time frame without pain. Example: I help busy moms lose 15 pounds in 90 days without giving up their favorite foods. Boom. Clear, specific, results-driven. That's what sells. Make your offer easy to understand, backed by some form of proof, and ideally include a guarantee. Bonuses or fast action perks. Testimonials, even from testers or beta users. Your offer is your engine. Get this right, and everything else becomes easier. 6. Build a simple funnel that works 24/7. A funnel is just a path that turns strangers into customers. Think of it like an invisible salesperson. It runs 24/7, even when you're on vacation. Here's the simplest version. 1. Lead magnet. Offer something free, a checklist, mini-course, or guide, to get people on your email list. 2. Landing page. Explain the value of your lead magnet clearly. Use a tool like System.io, ClickFunnels, or ConvertKit. 3. Email sequence. Send 5 to 7 emails that tell your story, provide real value, build trust. Then introduce your paid offer. 4. Sales page. Keep it focused on benefits. Use testimonials, visuals, and a clear call to action. You can build this in a week. Once it's up, drive traffic to your lead magnet and let your system do the selling. 7. Get traffic that converts well. Traffic means people visiting your website, seeing your offer, and ideally buying or joining your list. You need consistent traffic to grow. There are 2 major types. 1. Organic, which is free. These are from YouTube videos, blog posts with SEO, Pinterest pins, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. These take time to build up, but they last. A great YouTube video can bring leads for years. 2. Then there is paid traffic, which is faster. These are generated from Facebook and Instagram ads, Google search ads, Pinterest promoted pins. With paid ads, start small, $5 to $10 a day. Test multiple headlines and offers. Watch the numbers. Scale what works. Bonus tip: collaborate with others. Do podcast interviews. Write guest posts. Cross-promote to similar audiences. 8. Automate and delegate. You didn't build an online business to work all the time. So now it's time to put systems in place. Automate. Use email tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite. Schedule content in batches. Use Zapier to connect tools. Delegate. Hire a virtual assistant for admin tasks. Use Fiverr or Upwork for design, video editing, and more. As your revenue grows, your time should become more valuable. Free yourself from daily tasks and focus on growth. 9. Scale to 6 figures and beyond. You've validated your offer. Sales are coming in. Now it's time to grow. Here's how. 1. Raise prices. As your value increases, don't be afraid to charge more. 2. Add upsells or back-end offers. Think coaching, bundles, premium access. 3. Run promotions and product launches. Flash sales, live webinars, or seasonal offers keep things exciting. 4. License or white label your content. Let others use your system in their own way. 5. Expand to new channels. If YouTube worked, try podcasting. If blogging worked, try Pinterest. Keep what works. Test new angles. Rinse and repeat. 10. Your 30-day action plan. Let's bring it all together. Week 1. Pick your business model. Choose your niche. Write out your offer. Week 2. Build your funnel. Create a lead magnet. Set up your email sequence. Week 3. Start publishing content. Join communities. Drive traffic to your lead magnet. Week 4. Launch your offer. Get feedback. Improve the experience. Keep going. You only need a few wins to start seeing momentum. Final thoughts. This is just the beginning. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need to solve a real problem for real people and show up with consistency and care. This is the path to freedom. Time freedom, financial freedom, creative freedom. Start small, but start now, because the people who win aren't the smartest or the loudest. They're the ones who take action. Let that be you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Please share this video with others so they too can be informed and be empowered. Wanna add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe.